What's up, guys? Welcome back to L Aquatics. Quick update on my tank and other projects going on. My 90-gallon is doing great. Just did a water change this past weekend. The Chicago Sunburst anemone is doing great, and the Colorado Sunburst is starting to do way better. Starting to recover real well. As you can see over here, I have a 40-gallon breeder that I picked up. That's going to replace that frag tank, and I'm going to do the plumbing on that once I'm ready. For now, what I'm doing is working on this tank. This is my brother's tank. He picked this up, and I'm helping him out doing the plumbing. This is Innovative Marine 25 with external overflow. This is it looks like a custom overflow. I think the previous owner or past owner took out the whole back glass and then put this on it with an overflow. So I'm helping him plumb this. This was already there. I did a plumbing, which is going to tie off to his main tank. One sump, same setup as mine. And I'm just doing the water test right now for it. So far, everything's great. No leaks. My plumbing was good. This is a pretty good deal right here. I think he picked it up for $120, not bad at all. Along with the APS stand, that's really nice. So this was originally hardlined, and I had to install a new bulkhead. This is a 1/2-inch bulkhead with a 1/2-inch thread with a 3/4 barb, right angle barb. Going to 3/4 inch hose. This one is a 1-inch emergency drain. If you look on top, that's 1 inch. That's 1 inch as well. This was already here, and I added this 45-degree, and this was part of the package that he got, and I just cut some, retrofitted it, and then turned into a 3/4 barb. So this is 1 inch, goes through 3/4, 3/4 gate valve, and then 3/4 valve. This one over here is 1 inch, 1 inch union, 1 inch, 1 inch, and this is a conversion from 1 inch to a 3/4, then 3/4 to the barb. And looks like it's not leaking from my connection. Tank's not leaking. Everything is looking fine, and it's ready to be picked up, so I could focus on this 40 breeder. Is my next project. It has it's like an overflow. It's an eShops overflow Eclipse M. Got a really good deal on it. It has 2 input, and then overflow, and then an emergency overflow. This shouldn't be here. I was just testing it out, but yeah, stay tuned for more. But everything else is doing great. I'm just trying to clean up the garage a little bit, trying to get organized and getting ready for the swap. I have to do the plumbing on that. I'll see if I'll shoot a video. But yeah, that's the update for this week. I apologize I wasn't have not been updating for the past couple weeks. I went on a 6-day fishing trip in Mammoth, and I'll show you a couple videos on it after this. So stay tuned, and here's some fishing videos of my trip last week. Thank you. Yo. Pwede gabi na net. Yeah.
Is it brown?
Yeah. Whew.
Got brownie, huh? Nice, you know. Yeah, pick it along. Need help? Oh. Mental? Yeah. No, you know the good side, good side. Good side?
It's a keeper. Oh. Oh. Oh! Barely fit on the net.